Hey guys, this video is about a backhoe, standard with special engineering wear-resistant tires, thickened steel. As you can see, the cab has a wide field of vision. Hydraulic outriggers make the machine work more stable and safer. The digger part can be rotated 180 degrees using hydraulic thickening cylinder, long service life. The cab can be lifted for easy maintenance. Optional manual lift and electric lift, one-button silent landing, front and rear adjustment of the steering wheel operation. The seat can be rotated in all directions and can be driven forward and backward. Easy to operate, greatly improved work efficiency. Follow and subscribe to learn more about loaders.